common scenario that we see. In the small, medium branch offices, the access methods, more like ADSL, VDSL2, also consider mobile data access on 4G for resilience or for getting a new site up and running quickly, or providing a performance boost as we saw on the eHub section. The mid-tier MNC, in this case, there's a 50 core site global network with many remote sites and remote workers. In that case, we would use secure internet site access to connect those smaller sites and individual users into our solution. We have an overview of some of the case studies. We have some of our existing customers. The first one is Tesco in the UK, primarily, but extending out to over 14 countries, with 1,800 sites in total. They've chosen us because we can provide a single WAN based on Ipvpn, meeting all of their communication requirements. And obviously critical to them in terms of their business supermarket chain, to keep their shelves stocked and to process sales of their customers. All of that, that's a business critical activity, runs on our network. HP outside of the US use our MPLS network to support their voice, video and data applications. We have services to many countries in the growth geographies. So you see a few of them mentioned here in Africa, Middle East, Russia, and in Asia as well. And Astrium has a 52-site network across 26 countries, covering Latin America, Asia, US, Europe. And we provide them with a hybrid WAN solution using both Ethernet for the regional hub sites and Ipvpn. There are more detailed case studies on the PGE service catalogue, and I think digital comms library, sorry. And I think there's a few more in the pipeline. Yeah. And just to remind ourselves of the resources that we already have available within Vodafone, who are focused on and dedicated to global enterprise across the different organisations, within sales, over 1,000 people, and over 600 support staff, as well as some of the central groups and local market employees. So many thousands of staff already focused on serving the needs of the enterprise customers. Just wanted to touch briefly on the competitive situation. This chart is highlighting our main competitors. So BT, Global Services, Verizon, Orange Business Services, AT&T, probably the key ones. And there's some tough competition out there, and this is one of the reasons that we're making these very significant investments in Ipvpn to bring us up to a comparable level to those key competitors. And with many of these investments, they should give us a way to differentiate, particularly around the service experience and the global network reach. We'll be providing more competitive material. There is some information available on the e-learning courses, and we'll be updating that over the next few weeks. So, just to summarise this section, what does this all mean for you, for our customers?